2013 Makino EDAF2 CNC EDM. Current hours 5,813 burn hours, 35,853 on time. Machine is equipped automatic electrode changer, drop tank design, includes carbide machining circuit, LED lighting, Super Spark 4 technology, Super Surface and Super Edge technology, onboard fire extinguisher system, onboard chiller unit, machine is in excellent condition. We're going to do a test burn and we'll get that set up here. Electrode changer is in its changing position. We'll return that back to home. And show rotation. It's bi-directional. Okay, now we're going to do a spark test. We'll raise the tank up to position. You'll see the Z-axis rotation. See the discharging. And the smoke. Makino EDAF2 CNC EDM.